Hi guys, I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel. I welcome myself as well. I wanted to quickly record a video. I know I haven't been really active on my channel and for a very long time, and I really wanted to thank you all for still keep watching my videos and for subscribing. I've gained a lot of new people, and I just wanted to say a huge thank you to all of you, first thing. And yeah, the reason why I haven't been really active was the fact that I was busy. You know, life kind of took over. You probably know about Fedor, our dog. He's keeping us busy and entertained. And to be perfectly honest, I went through a phase when I didn't really feel like kind of preparing and recording, editing, because it does take quite a long time, and I felt bad. I felt guilty because obviously all of you subscribed to me because I hope you liked me and liked my videos and what I was doing, and I felt guilty because I want to help you guys out. If there is something that can help you with, if any of my videos or advice will help you in your gardening, your garden design, or growing plants or anything, I'm really happy about that. And I did miss that, and so I kind of pivoted from there, just doing my own thing. Like I work full-time, so I was busy doing that. Obviously I was active around our garden, and I was trying to grow and have like a nice summer full of plants and some edibles and stuff. But I got busy with design work, and I have to say it wasn't really making me happy. Design, as beautiful of a craft it is, garden design, because it's very creative, it's beautiful to be surrounded with plants and thinking about problem solving and thinking about new things of putting into gardens and helping people out. It's very rewarding, but on the other hand, it is a job where you spend a lot of time by the computer, which I started enjoying less and less, and I found myself, to be perfectly honest, being quite unhappy and kind of looking forward to finish off a design and give it out to the client, so I can either move on to another thing or I don't have to spend time by the computer. I was getting a lot of headaches. I wasn't feeling well because I wasn't very active, except for maybe weekends or like free time that I had after work or something like that I spent either walking Fedor or just being outside walking or gardening. And for a very long time I was kind of flirting with the idea of growing my own plants, so having kind of like a small town flower farm, and obviously offering the plants and the flowers mostly to people, either in like pre-made bunches and bouquets, or in like bunches of single kind of flowers for them to then create their own, or to florists, or creating wreaths and anything like that, very creative stuff. And because we are renting our house, I always was kind of put off by the idea of investing into the garden and bringing in a lot of pots and a lot of soil, which is obviously heavy, and buying a lot of plants or seeds, because it kind of bulks up. And I always had the idea in our head, like, wait, we will one day have to move, and one day we will obviously have to move all of this somewhere else, which was I just couldn't picture it, to be honest, and it was really off-putting. But it was always stopping me from doing what I wanted to do, and I love being outside. I love listening to nature, listening to birds, spending time outside with Fedor and Biggie when I take them in the garden, and just nurturing the plants and playing with the soil, and all the gardening stuff that is involved in growing something, growing plants, growing flowers, growing vegetables. So more and more I started to think, I kind of got some clarity in my life from realizing how unhappy design work kind of made me, because regardless of what people think, garden design, as I said, it's a beautiful craft, but it is not walk in the rosy garden. You don't just spend time outside and with plants and nurturing. It is a lot of work in the studio with a computer and just kind of head down. And I am kind of outdoorsy person, and I enjoy being out and gardening. So I wanted to create something that would make me more happy, and hopefully I will make people around me happy. As you probably know, I am based in London, so my idea of growing plants and having a little flower farm is kind of grow for local people. I don't want to be sending off flowers to God knows where. It's not sustainable and it's not very ecological, so I want it to be kind of kind gardening, kind flower farm. That means more sustainable, more in thought of obviously the climate change, and I would love for local people to kind of get more involved and get the beauty that they usually get from shops that are flown in, get it from someone who grows locally, and obviously create nice communities, create relationships and friendships over something beautiful, like a bunch of flowers or wreath or something like that. And yeah, also help. Sorry, it's Fedor. And also help people to understand the importance of this, the importance of supporting small local sustainable businesses and ideas. So yeah, that's what I am planning on doing next. I might pop in with another garden design video or tips and advice on growing plants and things like that. But the grow of this, I guess, will be this. So anything about flowers, anything about growing, new ideas, farming, flower farming and stuff like that. And the reason why I essentially wanted to record this as well was first for me, because I wanted some sort of accountability for myself, because when I don't have to do this, I don't see the progress, and I kind of stop myself, and I'll be like, oh well, I'll do that tomorrow, and then tomorrow becomes the next day and next day. So yeah, it's accountability. I wanted something to look back, so have some sort of a diary of what I'm doing, and obviously my triumphs, but also my failures, because writing everything down, it's kind of time consuming, and you don't always feel like doing that. So like this, I just thought I'll just put a video on, quickly record it for myself. I first thought, but then I thought that it might actually help someone. You guys, or some of you, might also enjoy it, since it's still garden related. It is about growing plants and flowers, and so yeah, we'll see how it goes. Let me know if you have any questions, if you have any advice as well on growing plants. I will just be growing in our front and back garden, which aren't that big, and obviously I am quite limited in what I can do with it, since it's not ours. So I'll be growing mostly in pots and like large containers, and yeah, I am just in the process of ordering a lot of seeds. I got a lot of biennials and hardy annuals now. I might actually even record a video when I go through what I've ordered, but I'm waiting for the order to come through, and yeah, then I might record a video about that. So yeah, I will probably record when I'm planting those. Yeah, keeping like a little diary of what I'm doing, and hopefully it will entertain you and help you as well, just as it will help me too. So thank you very, very much again for watching and subscribing. I hope you don't mind this change in direction of mine, but yeah, I guess we all kind of evolve, we grow, and I want to kind of pursue this because it is very close to my heart, and we'll see where it will take me. So you have yourself a lovely day, enjoy it, and yeah, see you in the next video. Thank you, bye bye.